Hello, hello everyone. What a lovely day. I always forget what day it is when I start one of these lives. Thursday. It's Thursday today. Happy Thursday, everyone. Hope you're doing great. It's Dione Irwin here with Dione Real Estate Group and at the Real Estate District. And I am coming to you live, giving you a tour of one of our new listings. It's in Cooper's Crossing in Airdrie. So we're on the southwest corner of Airdrie. And it's a walkout bungalow. It's gorgeous. It's warm and cozy. It's in a great location. And I'm going to show it to you. So I'm just going to wait. There's a few people that we're going to join. So hopefully they're going to start joining. We just did our professional video, me and Debbie. So you guys got to keep your eye open for that. It's Debbie's first video. So that's going to be really fun to watch. I've got Chris here doing the video. Peter's doing all of our photos and measures. So we just kind of take over when we list a house. We get it all ready, and then we sort of just try to get it all done at the same time. So that's why we're usually here at the same time, to try to make it a bit easier for our sellers. So anyway, I'm going to give you this tour, and I'm going to probably run into Chris and Peter at some point here. But that's okay, because they're used to that now. And there's a little kitty here, and I don't want to let it out. But it looks like I can make it out the front door right now. Hi, Kara. Hey, how's it going? Thanks for joining. Okay, we've got a beautiful day as well. And this house is in a great location. It backs onto a green space. It also is close to schools and parks, and there's lots of extra green spaces in Cooper's. If you're looking to move to Airdrie, this is an awesome community. Oh, it's very bright. Hey, Debbie, how's it going? Okay, let's flip around this screen. Hopefully Jen and somebody message Megan and Sherry. Let's try to get Sherry on here. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the street. So lots of really pretty houses. Look at the blue skies today, guys. Airdrie's beauty today. And the really cool, nice feature about this house too is it's got an oversized, it's got a triple tandem garage. And it's a very bright and cheerful home. Very bright and cheerful, beautiful bungalow. Okay, so let's go in. This home has so many features. I have a sheet here. And we also include a really nice display on the countertop at each listing of the features and upgrades, so that, because when realtors show houses, they can't remember everything. So we like to have it right there, so the buyers are going to know what the upgrades are in each of our listings. This home is also designated energy efficient. So it's got solar panels. I'm going to start in the garage. Let's go in here. So you come in and you have this beautiful, I don't know the width of this. I'm not sure if somebody can let me know, but it's also very wide. Like, these doors are wide. Sometimes these doors are narrow. You have to tuck your mirrors in, but I think these ones are a bit wider than usual. So it's a really good sized garage. And this is the really cool part. Look at this. Look at this. Third bay. It's got they have it as a workshop, but you could fit like motorcycles, an extra car, whatever, all the kids stuff, toys or whatever. We've got water out here too, and it's got in-floor heat. So it's a heated garage. It's fully finished in here too, so it's really pretty. It's got like wainscoting all the way around, epoxy floors. So a lot of cool stuff. Debbie, if I'm forgetting, you fill me in, because Debbie's kind of she's running with this one. She's doing an awesome job with this listing. Okay, here's the walk-in closet at the front. Really nice size. And Peter, are you doing photos or measuring? Pardon? Yeah? Okay. So let's go down. We've got hardwood floors on the diagonal. Really nice. Hey, Peter. Peter, Laura. Good. How are you? Good. You're right in the hole. Okay, here, okay. Sorry. I'm going to try to get this done and out of your way so you can finish. So we've got full height cabinets, granite countertops, really cool, like a wine storage display area. The appliances are newer. We've got, what do we have? Miele stove top. Yes. The oven and dishwasher are a year old. So newer appliances, really nice. Tons of storage. Look at that over there. A lot of storage. Nice big dining area and big windows. These blinds are remote control. All the blinds in this area. Nice big living room with a gas fireplace and full width deck as well. And we've got a west facing backyard. Who doesn't want a west facing backyard? Oh, okay. Oh, the cat got out. The cat was like just made a beeline. Wow, I'm usually pretty good at it, but come here, kitty. Come here, you stinker. I don't want you going down the stairs. I know you don't go very far, but oh no, she's hiding. Okay, we'll do this quick. There is an access down. We've got the spiral staircase. Got a green space back there. Gas line for the barbecue. And when the trees are in full bloom, it's amazing here. Mature trees. It's just a beautiful neighborhood. Kitty. Oh, kitty. Come here, kitty. Come here. I know she knows I'm going to make her go in. Come here. Come on. Come on. Let's go inside. Come here, you. Come here. Come here, kitty. I know. Come on. Okay. Sorry, everyone. Oh, thank you. Okay, there we go. All right. The other one's what? It doesn't run as fast. I know. Okay, let's go to our primary suite here. It's a really good sized bedroom. And the ensuite is equipped with this beautiful steam shower. Super relaxing. It's a really good size. Nice, the 10 mil glass, and a walk-in closet. So it goes all the way around back here too. So it's a pretty good sized walk-in closet. And up here, oh my goodness, sorry. Okay, so here's a second bedroom upstairs. This is a Murphy bed. So if you don't need it as a bed, you can fold it up and have it for your office, and that will stay. And storage here. Also storage here. We've got a lot of storage in this house. And then a full... Sorry, Peter, you just put the cat in there, didn't you? Yeah. And then we've got a full bath right here. So there's 3 full bathrooms in this house. And then we found Chris. Hey, Chris. There he is. Chris from Gibbs Media. He's so good. He's so patient with us. Million takes later. We're going to have a blooper reel coming soon, right? I think it's going to be so much to pick from. A lot of bloopers to pick from. Okay, fully finished walkout basement. Check this out, you guys. It's wired for sound throughout. We've got air conditioning. What else? I'm just trying to read all these notes. Basement is in floor heat, so really, really nice in the winter. I'll tell you more when we go outside. Okay, so let's go. We've got 1 bedroom down here with a nice big window. There you go. 9-foot ceilings down here. Also, we've got, I'll show you the utility room because it's very nice. So the laundry's down here, but there's a spot upstairs that would be quite easy to move it to. So don't let that stop you if you're interested in a bungalow. We got an easy spot for you. In-floor heat, all the really nice systems. It's been really well laid out. Air conditioning, high efficiency furnace. We got vacuum flow. A cold room. We have a cold room. So there you go. If you want, it's an actual cold room. So that's a very nice feature as well. Lots of storage. If you're downsizing, you got a lot of place to put stuff. A lot of people downsize into a bungalow. So This could be a perfect one. It's about 1,450 square feet. So it's a great size. And here's our third bedroom. Another Murphy bed. This one's also included. Hey, Sherry. How are you doing? Sorry, I've been so busy running around. I didn't see who's... Thank you for joining. Oh, Debbie, I know the cat. They're really nice cats, and they take such good care of... You'd never know that they had kitties here. Here's your third bathroom downstairs. Another full bath with a tub. Okay, and I'm just going to try to get outside. But the living room, look how cozy this is. Really nice living room. Another gas, so there's 3 gas fireplaces. There's 1 outside and 2 inside in this house. This is the area it's already wired for the hot tub, and it's got a privacy wall. So that's really nice. Lots of space. You could put a pool table here. This light, I bet you I think this used to have a pool table on the old listing actually. So it's a really good size for that if you like pool. And also a wet bar. So it's a sink and a fridge. Nice cabinetry. Everything's all matching. What do you guys think? What do you think so far? You have any questions? Hi, Marlene. How's it going? Okay, now we don't want to let the kitties out. Okay, let's go to this gorgeous backyard. Okay. And so here's our fireplace. This is a really nice feature. I mean, in the summer, this is so nice with the trees. With underground sprinklers here. This house really is the full package. I mean, I guess the only thing you could do if you wanted is put a hot tub. You could put a beautiful hot tub here. It's wired. It's got the privacy wall. I mean, and that is a nice privacy wall. So west backyard, nicely landscaped. Beautiful houses across the way there as well. So there's your yard. And I could show you the full width deck. We'll have photos obviously when we have the listing posted. But let's show you guys a little sneak peek. So here's the this is the back of it. All right. So, and our sellers worked so hard. They did such a great job getting it ready. I know it's not easy, but it's always worth it. You know? Gemstone lights, 2. Oops. Okay, sorry. I lost you for a minute. Gemstone lights and speakers. So it's just ready for entertaining. It's a beautiful house for entertaining. Okay, let's go in. All right. Well, I think that concludes our tour. Thank you for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'm really excited about this listing. It's going to be coming on the market on tomorrow. But if you want to see it sooner, well, I'm sure we can get you in. So if you have a realtor, get your realtor to call us. If you don't have a realtor yet, Debbie is going to be so excited to meet you, and this could be your new home. This could be the perfect home for you. So reach out to us and we'll make sure you get in here. It's priced at an awesome price for Cooper's Crossing, backing onto the green space with all these features. It's $950. So that's it. 279 Cooper's Hill, Southwest Airdrie. This could be your new home. Message us today. We can get you into this gorgeous walkout bungalow. All right. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.